Okay, this video will go over how to import a used compressor into the kits, because as you know, we store we have a product number for the used compressor, but we actually store it under a AAA number, or that's how we stock the used compressors. So for that reason, we have to import it into a kit. And in order to do that, you have to run this query here. So going back to my form, I've added a kit, or I've added this part number right here. And it doesn't matter if this is selected or not. It's just going to, if you run this report, it will build anything based on the date. So from there, we can do use compressor kits. We'll add a start date. Let's do 10/26/20, which is okay. It's going to open it up. Of course, save as I just ran this one. It'll open up our file. And from there, let me make sure this one's. For there, you're going to save as a CSV. And then we'll go ahead and head on over to Fuse 5 to import it. Okay, and then from there, you want to go ahead and go over to Kits, which I'm already in. Hit Import Kits. We're going to select that file, which is a CSV. This one right here, 1026 CSV. We will hit next. We're going to use a save mapping. This one's going to be called Access Used Compressor. And it looks like everything mapped, which is perfect. So the template is actually working correctly. And a couple things. Here's the kit number. So this is what the outside world will see. This is our kit part number. This is what we will see. I didn't put kit quantity because it will default to 1. The kit name, right now we're using this one. I'll likely update this later on. The kit name is the same as the kit number. They are rebuilding the kit system, so this will go in a different place later on under the product name. Combined sale price, yes. Description TCB, sell price based on customer price plan. And then from there, you just hit import now, and it'll bring it all in for you.